this is my hair. I used it. It came in a really pretty box. It's just an ombre color. And this is it. You just turn it on with this button. And then you can, see, this is what it looks like when it's turned on. And then it'll just turn red down here and kind of rainbow up here. Wait, hang on. Yeah, I'll go back to it. It locks and unlocks down here. Just have to close it and push up and it'll lock. And then it'll unlock. It has like these things and they're really cute beach waves. It does have one of those, whatever. It has one of those things you can wrap the charger up in it and put it back in the box or something. But this is really cute. I have school, and I wanted one before school, and I got it. This is supposed to be here tomorrow, but it got here earlier. And it got really fast delivery. And it's really cute too. And that's all I have to say. And oh wait, it came with 2 clips. That's it.
Here's what it looks like whenever you turn it on. You can't really see right now, but it's actually red, so it's heating up. You control the temperature right here on the side. I have it all the way up, but you can turn it down and it has the temperature right there. So the lowest setting is 320, it goes to 360, 400, or 440. So you just keep pressing that until you get to the desired temperature you want. I'll personally use 400.
Pretty dark, but again, I brought some extra lighting, so.
Just wanna dance all night, a little fun. Think I might.
Troubled person. After 3 hours of deliberation, the jury reached a decision. You walked back into that courtroom to deliver the verdict.